In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the HTML of an email you sent from Hubspot. If you're trying to dig a little deeper into the inner workings of your sent emails, look no further. We're going to take a straightforward approach for you to uncover everything you need in just a few simple steps. To kick things off, let's head on over to the Hubspot website. Open your favorite web browser on your computer and type in hubspot.com to get started. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a button that says Log In the top right corner. Click on that and enter your account credentials to log into your HubSpot dashboard. After logging in, you'll arrive at your HubSpot home. It's from here that the magic starts. Look towards the top navigation bar and click on Marketing. A drop-down menu will appear revealing several options related to marketing tools. Select Email from this list. This will take you to your email dashboard where all your marketing email activities live. Once you're on the email page, let's locate the email you're interested in. Find the email you sent. It should be listed among your other emails. Next to each email, you'll find an Actions drop-down. Click on Actions adjacent to the email you've selected, and a few more options should reveal themselves. Choose View Email from the drop-down menu. This action will open the specific email you want to inspect. Now comes the part where we get that HTML. On this new page displaying the email, scroll through to find the piece of content you want to examine. In this particular step, we're looking for something labeled as a sample blog post or enough context that matches similarly. Now, once you have the email open, here's a neat trick. Right-click anywhere over the web page within the email content. Doing so will pop up a set of options. Please select View Page Source. What this does is present the entire underlying HTML code of the email on your screen. This can look a little daunting as it consists of extensive technical coding language, but don't worry, it's easier to manage if you're after specific pieces of the email or troubleshooting particular formatting issues. By following these steps, you can gain insights by inspecting the raw HTML, tweak designs if needed, or ensure your email matches the vision planned, and that's all there is to it. Congratulations, you're now equipped to access the HTML of any email you've sent via HubSpot, offering you greater control and understanding over your email campaigns. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.